love balls because you can find balls all over the planet.
So many things come in the shape of balls.
Like clown noses,
Oranges,
basketballs.
plums,
And you know what happens when you eat yum balls?
you feel really good inside.
When I eat my yum balls,
I have nothing to hide.
yum balls make me happy.
I eat them when the skies are gray.
I love yum balls so much.
I could eat them every day. Day 5, elevating elevate breakfast. We're having yum balls.
Mine are bigger than yours.
Not all balls are the same size.
Not all balls are equal.
Not all balls roll the